Brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, began as a medical breakthrough, enabling paralyzed patients to control robotic limbs with their thoughts. Early trials, like those by Neuralink, showed quadriplegics moving cursors or typing via implants. These systems decode neural signals into commands, offering hope for spinal cord injuries. However, invasive procedures carry risks like brain inflammation. The technology's potential is undeniable, but its ethical implications are just emerging. By the 2040s, BCIs evolved from medical tools to consumer gadgets. Companies marketed neural headbands for augmented reality navigation, replacing smartphones. Users could send texts or play music mentally. Adoption surged. Over 60% of office workers relied on BCIs by 2045. But this convenience came at a cost. Constant connectivity blurred the line between private thought and digital footprint. BCIs revolutionized education. Students could download language skills or mathematical concepts via direct neural stimulation. A 2043 Stanford study showed BCI users learning calculus 10 times faster. Yet, critics warned of cognitive outsourcing. Relying on tech eroded organic problem-solving skills. The line between augmentation and dependence grew increasingly thin. Studies revealed alarming trends. Long-term BCI users struggled with basic memory recall without devices. A 2044 JAMA report linked neural implants to a 40% decline in hippocampus activity. Cases of tech withdrawal syndrome, anxiety and disorientation when disconnected, became prevalent. Society faced a paradox. The very tools meant to enhance minds were disabling innate cognition. Tech giants monetized neural data, selling personalized ads based on users' subconscious preferences. A leaked 2045 document showed Meta analyzing emotional responses to political content. With BCIs, corporations didn't just track clicks, they mapped desires. This neurocapitalism sparked debates. If thoughts became commodities, what remained of free will? BCIs introduced unprecedented cyber threats. In 2046, hackers remotely induced phantom smells in 12,000 users to promote a perfume brand. More sinister attacks manipulated motor cortex signals, causing involuntary movements. Cybersecurity firms raced to develop neural firewalls, but breaches left victims questioning the safety of their own minds. Premium BCIs cost $20,000 plus, creating a neuro elite. Enhanced individuals secured high-paying jobs, while unenhanced citizens faced discrimination. Schools split into BCI integrated and analog curricula. By 2047, 78% of Fortune 500 CEOs used cognitive implants, widening the wealth gap. The technology meant to unite humanity instead fractured it along socioeconomic lines. Authorities weaponized BCIs for policing. China's Neural Patriotism program flagged dissenting thoughts in real time. The EU mandated safety monitors in implants after terrorist attacks. Citizens traded privacy for security, until 2048 leaks proved governments were profiling individuals based on subconscious biases extracted from neural patterns. Anti-BCI movements emerged, led by neuroscientists and ethicists. Depugged communities formed, rejecting implants. Underground hackers developed jammers to disrupt corporate neural networks. Their manifesto, "No chip can own a thought." By 2049, 15% of the global population had joined the resistance, challenging the inevitability of transhumanism. The 2050 Global Neuroethics Summit convened to regulate BCIs. Proponents cited medical benefits. Opponents warned of existential risks. No consensus was reached, only an uneasy truce. As humanity stood at this technological precipice, one question lingered. Would we master our creations or become slaves to the very tools designed to set us free?